Hello guys, welcome back to mathematics. Today we are going to check the question 11 of the progression test style questions of stage 6. This one says, circle three equivalent amounts. So, what are the three types of rational numbers? They are percentage, decimals, and fractions. So since it says to circle three equivalent amounts, that means we need to find a percentage, a decimal, and a fraction that are equivalent. There are just two fractions, this one and this one. The first one is 42 over 100. Any of the percentages or decimals has the numbers in that order, 42. So we can take this one away. This one is not going to work. So the only other fraction is this one. So for sure is going to be this fraction, one of the three equivalent amounts. So we could convert this into a percentage and a decimal and see where they are. The percentage is how many parts out of 100. So this is already given basically. This is 24%. So 24 over 100 is the same as 24%. 24 out of 100. So the 24 is here. So this should be the other amount. And then we just need to find it as a decimal. Remember, as a decimal, we just move the decimal point here twice because it's dividing the percentage by 100. That is going to give us 0.24, which is here. So those three are the amounts that we should circle. And that's how you are getting the mark. Don't forget to check the video about how to convert these rational numbers. The link is in the description. Okay, guys, that was everything for this question. Don't forget to subscribe, book your own lessons with me if you want, and let me any question you have about this topic or any other one. Bye bye, guys. See you next time.